Meanwhile, the Jamaica Public Service Company is reporting that Jamaica had a record energy consumption recently. We'll go back to that story a little later on from Sandy Williams. But at the moment, with tomorrow being a major market day, vendors in downtown Kingston are worried that they will not be able to cash in on sales because the market district is flooded with raw sewage water. Kirk Wright has details.
Many vendors went home Friday without making any sales. Sewage water has taken over Petchen Street, forcing vendors along that roadway to either close their stalls or pack up early. The water was seen running through shops too. This is Javine. She travelled from Portland with food items that she will have to pay for.
Where me sell, we can't put out. From morning, I sell not even $100. I will go to them, down by the office, them say, what them for do about it? But we need justice because we need to sell tomorrow because nobody now walk us up. And they're not healthy, not even for we. So we asked if we could have a draw tonight. That means when we put on, we load, people can come in, come support us. We can't pack up back our country.
The vendors say it's so bad that they had to block a section of Petchen Street, causing several motorists to make a U-turn. Another affected vendor says this is a frequent occurrence.
When the water bursts, it takes 1 week, 2 weeks before they can fix it. And we are pay with market fee. And these are the conditions where we are living at. These are the conditions. For yesterday, I can't sell no money. And I have the people in loan for pay, and I have my partner for throw. And tomorrow, yes, the market clerk will come round, come collect, but I not pay no market fee because I not sell for pay none.
A section of Princess Street was also affected. But when our news team got there, the water had subsided. The vendors there are, however, demanding that the matter be addressed urgently. Now, we've been here before. Here is what Kingston Mayor Delroy Williams told us in March.
We need a solution immediately. We need a solution that will resolve what is happening here until we get to the upgraded work.
At the time, he also said part of the immediate solution was for the National Water Commission to consistently flush the sewage lines in the general area. The vendors are still concerned that they have no idea when the problem will reoccur, so they need the authorities to fix it permanently. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.